Welcome back to the JavaScript Developer Series. We're going to rush through this. We're not going to spoon feed you guys, is the way to put it. So let's just learn about some JavaScript strings. Again, here on the left side, we have our web browser. It's Google Chrome, and we open up the developer console tools. And here you can just type JavaScript, as we explained in the last video. Whatever. And you can run JavaScript right here. Okay, the cool thing else about the console is that you have all these auto suggestions. So as you're learning, it's quite convenient to be able to scroll through those. And then here on the right side, I have just a text editor. You can use whatever you want. It's purely preference. I happen to be using Sublime Text with package control, so you get some nice features. Alright, so let's talk about strings really quick. The way you define a string is you just simply make a variable. Again, always use this var word. It makes things local scope. Let's just say always do it for now. And today's strings, you can define a string. Okay, the cool thing over here, let's do it in our web console, is you can have those auto suggestions. So let's learn about some string methods. My name, and I hit a period, and all these options pop up. And a specific one we can look at is .length. So you could type whatever your variable name is, and then a period, and then .length, and hit enter, and it'll return the number of characters that your string contains, the length of your string. So that's pretty cool. In this web developer console, you can see a lot of options, and you can just kind of play around with these. You see that one happens to be a function. Okay, so that's basically all there is to know about strings. In other programming languages you have types, and so you'll have usually a char type and a different type for a number, like an integer would be some number. You have a floating type, which could be a decimal. And a real quick thing, if I type 2 letters and hit tab, it'll auto type for me. It'll auto complete. And so that's quite convenient to speed things up. Just hit the 1 letter, and then whatever is selected, you hit tab, enter. So that's all there is for now about strings. It's a pretty primitive, basic tool that we use in programming, and thank you very much.